Hello and welcome to a Jimster 586 demonstration video. As promised, I have a demonstration I'm going to do of my, get it since it focuses, there we go, it's just about there we go, my Maglite LED XL100 made in Ontario, California, USA, with its funky controls that are a real pain to use. It also has a flicker issue. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not. Not sure. Come on, focus. I can't tell if the camera's even focusing. Well, let's use that as an example. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this flashlight flickers. And according to user Diesel Doocy, it's actually one of the worst flashlights to use for video. So I say I'm up here in my attic where it's semi-dark, but yet I have enough light where I can, do this kind of thing. So this is my Maglite XL100. I don't know if the camera can even see the flicker. I can. I have a visual impairment called, or a condition I should say, called nystagmus, where my eyes move uncontrollably. They wobble, really. So I can see this. I can see the flicker. I don't know if the camera can or not. But anyway, this flashlight saved my butt a few times at work when I've been left in the dark, literally. But it's not quite bright enough. So I decided to follow a suggestion from Andrew, and I went to 4.7s, and I got a Quark. Not a high CRI, I mean a CR2, but it's Quark nonetheless. It's a Quark Turbo X 123. This is a tactical flashlight. I've already done the unboxing video. You've already seen that. There's the business end. It's got a built-in clip. There's the switch. So what I'm going to do is do a demonstration here. There's the Maglite at 103 lumens, I think it is. And now I'm going to show you the max. I got to readjust the camera here. There we go. Show you the max power of the Quark at, you can see a difference, a whopping 450 lumens. So it kind of has the Maglite beat, which is the whole point. So enough about the Maglite and its controls, where you had to have it on a level surface and you had to turn it just right with your finger to make these different functions work, which I never really figured out. So I'm not getting rid of this flashlight. Still useful. But this one is much better. It's a tactical flashlight, so you have to program it. If I loosen the head a little bit, it goes down to my other choice. This is high. This is 260 lumens, I believe it is. 260, 265, something like that. 450. I have to think now how to do this. I want to try and run you through the functions. Try and do this. Trying to remember how to program this thing. That's the only thing I don't care much for. Half a turn. Got it. It's very tricky, so bear with me here. There we go. Now we're in program mode. So that's max brightness. It's like, yep, that's SOS. Strobe. Beacon. We have ourselves moonlight. Low. Medium. High. Oops, what did I do? Through the modes here. Strobe. Beacon. That's moonlight right there. It's 0.3 lumens. Low. Medium. High. That's where I want to leave it. There's just confirmed that that's where I want it. So we have high and maximum is how I've got this thing programmed. So overall, excellent flashlight. Very pleased with it. Haven't had it that long, so it's probably a little early to try and review it. Does exactly what I need it to do, as you can clearly see. Let's move the camera around. Lights up dark corners. Still see some debris from when we had our roof done last summer. We haven't had a chance to get up here and really clean the place. But it lights up everything in that back corner, just like I need it to do. Oops, there we go. Easy enough to hang on to. Again, this is a tactical flashlight. So the programming is not the easiest, but it's easier than the Maglite by far. Wide at this end, but very easy to hang on to. And you can just tap the button there to kick it on momentarily. You don't have to push the switch all the way in. So overall, an excellent flashlight. Big thank you to Diesel Ducey for recommending this. Is it even focusing? Can't tell. Come on. Focus. Anyway. It's Quark 123. Or Quark Turbo X 123. It's not going to focus. Here we go. So that's what we've got for you. Sorry about the long video, but the programming was throwing me a little bit. So I've got it set for 2 different modes, instead of having to cycle through all the modes on a regular flashlight. So that's why I opted to go with the tactical. And that's what we've got. You know, obviously at 450 lumens, your 2 CR123 batteries, aka flashlight food as they like to call them, you'll only get like an hour and a half usage out of it. But these are the CR123 batteries. 3 volts. Not rechargeable. I haven't decided whether I'm going to use rechargeables yet or not. I don't even know if the camera can see that. Energy dense flashlight food. That's funny. 47s is a great site to work with. It's a small business based in Tucker, Georgia. I would have to agree completely with Diesel Ducey about their excellent customer service. Their flashlights, unfortunately, are made in China because they can't find a manufacturer here in the U.S. to make them. You know, they design them and then they have to find somebody to make these. They're only a small business, so they don't have the capability themselves to do it. And no one here in the U.S. is willing to do it, at least at a reasonable price. So, as Andrew has said, I wouldn't think I'd endorse a Chinese flashlight, but with the customer service of 47s, and they're the ones that actually, you know, sell these, you can't get them anywhere else. Anything goes wrong, they're very quick to help you. repair, replace, or whatnot. And ask Diesel Ducey about that. He's told me some stories about them, all of them good. So that's what I've got for you, and thanks for watching this somewhat of a review, and hope you found it useful, and hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching.